control system. When a number of elements are combined together to form a system to produce desired output, then the system is referred to a control system. As this system controls the output, it is so referred. Each element connected to the system has its own effect on the output. A control system is a system of devices or set of devices that manage, combine, direct, or regulate the behavior of other devices or systems to achieve desired result. In other words, the definition of control system can be simplified as a system which controls other systems. There are two main types of control system. They are as follow. First, open loop control system. Second, closed loop control system. We discuss about closed loop control system. We all know that a control system manages or directs the operation of a system in order to provide a specific output. In a closed loop system, the desired output is achieved by making a comparison between achieved output and provided input. And for this purpose, a part of the output is fed back to the input in order to have the difference in the input and output value. This is known as a feedback signal. We can say the system whose operation is controlled by its output is known as a closed loop control system. Example of closed loop control system: automatic electric iron. Consider an example of automatic electric iron which acts as a closed loop system. The figure represented the block diagram with major components. An automatic electric iron consists of a thermostat that acts as a controller of the system. A resistive heating element is presented that generates heat. The sol plate of the iron instrument acts as a process of the overall system. The basic working principle by an automatic electric iron is such that when the temperature of the sol plate attains a predefined value, then the heating action gets stopped automatically. And when the temperature falls below a certain specified value, then again heating starts inside. So it is clear that in this type of system, the controlling depends on the output of the system. Initially, in electric iron, the thermostat is provided with a certain specific value which acts as a reference input for the system. When the input is provided to the system, then the resistive heating element generates heat inside the system. This leads to rising of the temperature of the iron sol through a feedback element. This output temperature is compared with the reference input, the thermostat. If the achieved output shows lesser value than the reference input, then the difference temperature actuates the thermostat and this switch on the heating element. This resultantly causes an increase in the temperature of the iron sol. Once the temperature exceeds the reference value, then the heating element automatically turns off, and after a certain point of time the temperature starts to decrease. However, the comparison still goes on and the temperature falls below the specific value. The heating element again begins to raise the temperature of the sol. Advantages of closed loop control system. Closed loop control system are more accurate, highly accurate, as any error arising in connected due to presence of feedback signal. Bandwidth range is large. Facility automation. The sensitivity of system may be made small to make system more stable. This system is less affected by noise. Disadvantages of closed loop control system. They are costly, they are complicated to design, required more maintenance. Overall gain is reduced due to precision of feedback. Stability is major problem and more care is needed to design a stable closed loop system.